Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can set up TikTok Pixel. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for Shopify. Open the website and make sure to log in using your account. Now go to the Apps tab and open Shopify App Store. Inside the App Store, search for TikTok Pixel. And a number of apps will be displayed. Click on this app here and make sure it is developed by TikTok itself. After that, install the app and select the Add Sales Channel button. Now choose the first option and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. After entering all of the required credentials, click on Finish Setup button. And that's how you can set up TikTok Pixel. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.